Hello and welcome to UC Achievers. You're watching second term test model and past paper discussions grade 7, and in this video we are going to give you the answers for Northwestern Province 2025 paper. Test 1. Fill in the blanks using the suitable words given in boxes A and B. The first one is done for you. Example, a colony of ants. Number 2, a comb of bananas. 3, a flock of birds. 4, a pride of lions. 5, a fleet of ships. 6, a band of musicians. Part B. Example, a glass of milk. Number 2, a bouquet of flowers. 3, a herd of elephants. Number 4, a swarm of bees. Number 5, a school of fish. Last one, a team of players. Test 2. Select the most suitable word to fill in the blanks. The first one is done for you. First one, I wanted to go to the park, but it started raining. Second one, we stayed at home because it was too cold outside. You should brush your teeth before going to bed at night. He was very tired, but he continued working. She wanted to buy a dress, but she didn't have enough money. We must finish our homework before going out to play. Test 3. Study the picture and fill in the blanks using the correct word from the box. The first one is done for you. This picture shows a beautiful garden where a group of children is enjoying different activities. The boy who is sitting under a tree reading a book. Next to him, a girl is sitting on a swing. Two boys are playing with a ball. On the right side, a girl is sitting on a stool and she is painting a picture. The boy who is sitting on a branch of a tree is using binoculars to look into the distance. It is a beautiful day. Test 4. Read this notice and complete the table. Notice: the English Literary Association of Rangiri Central College proudly presents the stage drama Cinderella, The Girls with the Glass Slipper, on 12th August 2025 at 5 p.m. in the main hall. All students, teachers and parents are warmly welcome. Name of the drama: Cinderella. Date: 12th August 2025. Time: at 5 p.m. Venue: at Rangiri Central College main hall. Staged by the English Literary Association. 5. Fill in the blanks using the most suitable word. The first one is done for you. Malit is leaving Sri Lanka today. He is a friend of mine. I forgot my notebook at home, but I brought yours. Please pass this pen to Nihal. It is his. Our car is red, but theirs is black. The dog wagged its tail when it saw the owner. All the classrooms are neat and tidy, but ours is the best. Test 6. Read the poem and answer the questions. A walk in the rain. The sky turned dark, The clouds came near. The raindrops fell. I had no fear. I wore my boots and my red coat and saw some ducks begin to float. I jumped in puddles on the way. The wind was strong. The trees did sway. The sky went boom. It made a sound. The rain kept falling all round. But still I smiled and walked with cheer. The sound of rain was nice to hear. It tapped the roofs and windows too, and made the world look fresh and new. Question number 1. What is this poem about? About the rain. Question number 2. What did the speaker wear before going out in the rain? His boots and red coat. Question number 3. What animals did the speaker see floating? Frogs, fish, ducks, birds. Answer is ducks. Question number 4. How did the speaker feel while walking in the rain? Angry, cold, sad, happy. Answer is happy. Question number 5. Which word rhymes with coat, made, float, fear, cheer? Answer is float. Test 7. Fill in the blanks with the given words to make meaningful sentences. The first one is done for you. First one, everybody must obey the road rules. Number 2, Methuli can run fast. She will win the race. We should buy tickets to enter the zoo to watch animals. You can't open the door without the key. Would you like to have a cup of tea? We shouldn't waste water. It is a limited resource. Test 8. Read the note and fill in the blanks. Mother, I stay after school for cricket practice today. Please ask father to come to school by 5 p.m. to take me home. Sahan. Sahan wrote this note to his mother. He is going to practice cricket in the evening till 5 p.m. and his father should come to the school to take him back home. Test 9. Read the text and answer the questions. The amazing owl. The owl is a silent and a mysterious bird. It has large eyes that help it see in the dark. Unlike many birds, the owl is nocturnal, which means it hunts at night. Its feathers are soft, allowing it to fly very quietly. The owl's sharp beak and strong claws help it catch small animals like mice and insects. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around without moving their bodies. Most owls live in forests, deserts, and even on farms. Their lifespan is about 5 to 12 years. Owls are found in many parts of the world, but not in Antarctica. Mark true or false. The owl is a silent bird. True. Owls are active during the day. False. Owls eat small plants. False. Owls live only in forests. False. Owls are not found in Antarctica. True. Find opposite words from the paragraph to match. Big, small, day, night, weak, strong. Fill in the blanks. Owl's blank feathers help it to fly very blank. Owl's soft feathers help it to fly very quietly. Test 10. Write an essay on one of the following. Use about 75 words. An interesting place in Sri Lanka. My hobby. An unforgettable day in my life. An interesting place in Sri Lanka. Ella is one of the most interesting places in Sri Lanka. It is a beautiful town located in the hill country. Many local and foreign tourists visit Ella every year. It is famous for its green mountains, waterfalls, and cool climate. Popular attractions include Ella Rock, Little Adams Peak, and the Nine Arches Bridge. The scenery is very attractive and peaceful. Visitors can enjoy hiking and taking photographs. Ella is a wonderful place to relax and enjoy nature. Therefore, it is an interesting place to visit. My hobby. My favorite hobby is reading books. Reading is an enjoyable and useful hobby. It helps me learn new words and improve my language skills. Storybooks also increase my knowledge and imagination. I enjoy reading adventure stories, fairy tales, and children's novels. When I read, I feel relaxed and happy. It is a better way to spend free time than watching television for long hours. Reading storybooks is a good habit, and I always enjoy it during my leisure time. An unforgettable day in my life. One of the most unforgettable days in my life was my birthday last year. My family surprised me with a small party at home. My friends came with beautiful gifts and we played fun games together. We sang songs, cut a delicious cake, and took many photos. Everyone was happy and smiling. I felt loved and thankful for my family and friends. It was a wonderful day that filled my heart with joy. I will always remember this special day. Test 11. Listening. Listen to the text and answer the questions. Now listen to the audio clip. Amaya is a little girl who loves going to the library. Every Saturday, her father takes her to the village library. She wears her blue dress and carries a small red bag. At the library, Amaya reads picture books and sometimes borrows storybooks to take home. She likes books about space and fairy tales. After reading, she and her father go to the nearby bakery to buy fresh buns. Amaya always smiles when she gets her favorite chocolate bun. Underline the correct answer. First one, Amaya goes to the library on Mondays, Saturdays, Sundays. Answer is Saturdays. The library is in the village, town, school. Answer is village. She wears a red, blue, green dress. Answer is blue. Amaya carries a blue, black, red bag. Answer is red. She likes to read books on science, space, animals. Space. They go to a bakery, bookshop, park to buy fresh buns. Answer is bakery. Mark true or false. Amaya's mother takes her to the library. False. Amaya likes chocolate buns. True. Subscribe our channel now. Our dedicated English language channel for Sri Lankan students. UC Achievers for grade 6 to 9 English. UC Gen English for advanced level general English. You got English for O-level English.